Today, I will show you how to upgrade a business name to a company with CAC, step by step, so you understand it clearly and do it the right way. If you want bigger contracts, funding, investors, or you simply want your business to stand properly, this is for you. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn what a business name is, what a limited liability company is, why upgrading is important, the documents you need to upgrade from a business name to a limited liability company, the costs, the timeline, and the mistakes that delay people when they start the process. Now let us slow down and build understanding from the ground up, just like teaching a child how to tie shoelaces. If we get the meaning right, the steps will feel easy. What is a business name in Nigeria? A business name is the simplest and most common type of registration under CAC. It is designed mostly for small businesses and sole proprietors. It lets you operate legally under a recognized name, and it is often the first step many entrepreneurs take. But there is an important thing to understand. A business name does not create a separate legal identity from the owner. This means the law can see the business and the owner as the same. So if the business owes money or gets into trouble, the owner can be personally responsible. It is like this. If your shop breaks something, the law may still come to you directly because you and the business are joined. Many people still start with a business name because it is affordable, straightforward, and quick to register. Then when the business grows, they upgrade to a limited liability company. Advantages and limitations of registering a business name in Nigeria. Now let us talk about the good side and the weak side of a business name. This is important because some people stay too long as a business name and later regret it. First, the advantages. 1. The process is straightforward and can be completed online through the CAC portal. 2. It is the most affordable business structure in Nigeria, which is why many startups begin here. 3. It has fewer post-registration filings and no complex corporate governance rules. 4. It is great for freelancers, artisans, and small traders who want formal recognition. 5. It is easy to manage without the need for directors or company secretaries. Now, the limitations, and this is where many people feel the pain as they grow. 1. The business and the owner are legally the same, so personal assets are not protected. 2. The owner is personally liable for all debts, losses, and legal obligations. 3. Many investors and financial institutions prefer dealing with registered companies, meaning limiteds. 4. Some corporate clients and partners may not take a business name as seriously as a company. 5. The business may cease to exist when the owner dies or decides to close it. If you are listening and thinking, I want to upgrade but I do not want mistakes, This is one of the things we help businesses with at entrepreneurs.ng through Redalia. We offer fast, professional business registration and upgrading services, so you can register or upgrade your business name to Unlimited with ease. Reach out on WhatsApp 08188122223 or contact@redalia.com. Let us talk about a limited liability company. What is a limited liability company in Nigeria? A limited liability company, also called unlimited, is a business structure where the company exists as a separate entity from its owners. That means the company has its own identity. This is the key difference. The owner's personal assets are protected, and they are only liable up to the amount they invested in the company. Unlimited can have one or more shareholders and directors. It also has perpetual succession, which means it can continue to exist even if ownership changes. In Nigeria, Unlimited is governed by the Companies and Allied Matters Act, CAMA 2020. And compared to a business name, it offers higher credibility, easier access to funding, and better opportunities for growth. Key differences between business name and limited liability company. Let us put them side by side, in a simple way. First, legal status. A business name is not a separate legal entity. The owner and business are legally the same. Unlimited is a separate legal entity. The company can own property, sue and be sued in its name. Next, ownership and management. A business name is owned and managed by one person or a few partners. Unlimited is owned by shareholders and managed by directors. Next, liability. In a business name, the owner has unlimited liability and is personally responsible for debts and obligations. In Unlimited, shareholders have limited liability, which helps protect personal assets. Next, lifespan. A business name can end when the owner dies or stops operating. Unlimited has perpetual succession, so it can continue regardless of ownership changes. Finally, perception. A business name is often seen as small or informal. Unlimited is viewed as formal, credible, and scalable. Now that you understand the difference, the next question becomes simple. Why should you upgrade? Why should you upgrade from a business name to a limited liability company? Why you should upgrade a business name to a limited liability company? As your business grows, upgrading gives you more credibility, protection, and opportunities than a business name. It separates you from the business and positions you for long-term success. Reason 1: Legal protection. Your personal assets are safeguarded because you are not personally liable for business debts or lawsuits in the same way. Reason 2: Credibility and trust. Clients, investors, and partners often take registered companies more seriously, and that can boost your brand reputation. Reason 3: Access to funding. Banks, investors, and grant providers often prefer dealing with registered companies that have formal structures. Reason 4: Business growth and expansion. With Unlimited, you can attract shareholders, raise capital, and scale operations more easily. Reason 5: Perpetual existence. The business continues even if ownership changes or a founder passes away. Reason 6: Better tax and compliance benefits. Companies can access tax deductions and operate within a more structured financial system. Reason 7: Access to bigger contracts. Many government agencies and large corporations prefer or require registered limited companies. Let's take a quick pause and talk about the different ways we can work together. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Let's move on. How to upgrade a business name to a company with CAC step-by-step guide. Now let us get into the main part. This is the practical step-by-step process. The upgrade is handled by CAC, and the process is structured. We will go one step at a time. Step 1. Prepare for converting a business name to a limited liability company. Step 1 is preparation. Before you start anything on the portal, CAC expects your business information and filings to be up to date. Here is what you do. First, confirm your business name registration is active and not inactive or under restriction or dispute. If there is a problem attached to the name, the upgrade can be blocked. Second, file all outstanding annual returns with CAC. If your annual returns are not filed, your conversion can be rejected. Annual returns are like telling the system, my business is still active. Third, gather your key business details. Your BN registration number, proprietor details, and your updated business address. Fourth, decide your company structure. How many shareholders will own the company? How many directors will manage it? When these basics are correct, everything else becomes smoother. And if you need help filing annual returns, we can handle it for you through our business registration support services. Reach out on WhatsApp 081881222223 or contact@redalia.com. Step 2. Conduct a CAC name availability search for your new company name. Step 2 is name availability. This means checking if your preferred company name is free to use on the CAC portal. You have two choices here. You can keep your existing business name and add limited, or you can choose a completely new name. Here is what you do. Log into the CAC portal. Use the public search feature to check name availability. If the name is available, reserve it under the name reservation section of your CAC dashboard. Then download and keep your name availability approval note. You will need it during the conversion. If you want expert help securing, reserving, and upgrading your name quickly, we can handle the process seamlessly. This is one of the most common places people make avoidable mistakes. Step 3. Apply for conversion of business name to company on the CAC portal. Step 3 is applying for the upgrade. Once the name is reserved, this is where the legal transformation begins. Log into your CAC account dashboard. Select the service called Conversion of Business Name to Company. Enter your existing business name registration number. The system will retrieve your business details. Now fill out the online conversion form carefully. Make sure every detail matches your original registration records. Then review everything before submission. Do not rush this part. Small differences in names or addresses can cause delays. Step 4. Upload all required documents for CAC business name to company upgrade. Step 4 is document upload. CAC uses these documents to verify ownership, structure, and compliance. First, prepare clear digital copies in PDF format. Clear means easy to read. Blurry documents can slow everything down. Log into your CAC dashboard, open your conversion application, and upload each document in the correct section. Label them properly so the reviewer understands them quickly. Now let us list the required documents slowly and clearly. 1. An application for upgrade duly signed by the proprietors. This is you formally saying, yes, we approve this upgrade. 2. The original business name certificate issued by CAC. This proves the business name exists. 3. The updated business information form showing residential address, company address, nature of business, and other required details. 4. A resolution by all proprietors approving the upgrade to a limited liability company. A resolution is a written decision that says, we agree. 5. A statement of share capital, an allotment for the new company. Share capital is like deciding how big the ownership pie is. Allotment is deciding who gets which slice. 6. Memorandum and Articles of Association, also called MAMAT. This is the rule book of the company. It explains what the company will do and how it will run. 7. Means of identification for all directors and shareholders. Examples include 9-inch nail slip, international passport, or driver's license. 8. Passport photographs of the directors and shareholders. When you complete this stage thoroughly, CAC can assess your application faster, and the transition becomes smoother. Step 5. Pay the official CAC fees for business name to limited liability company conversion. Step 5 is payment. After uploading the documents, you pay the prescribed CAC fees to complete the process. These fees cover the cost of reviewing documents, approving conversion, and issuing your new certificate. The amount depends on your share capital, and stamp duties may apply through the Nigeria Revenue Service, also called NRS. You can pay on the CAC portal using a debit card, bank transfer, or through an accredited CAC agent. Once payment is confirmed, you receive an electronic receipt from CAC. Keep it safe. It is proof of payment and may be needed during verification. Step 6. CAC Review, an approval for upgrading a business name to a company. Step 6 is CAC Review and Approval. After payment, CAC begins the official review of your application. They examine submitted documents, verify business information, and confirm compliance. If everything is correct, CAC approves the application and issues 2 key documents. 1. A new certificate of incorporation for the Limited. 2. A status report showing directors, shareholders, and share capital. You'll be notified by email when the documents are ready for download on your CAC dashboard. If CAC finds errors or missing documents, they request corrections or additional submissions. Respond quickly so you do not lose time. Step 7. What to do after you upgrade to a limited liability company in Nigeria. Step 7 is what many people forget. After approval, you must update your records and notify stakeholders. This is how you make the upgrade real in everyday business life. First, update your tax records with NRS so you can obtain a new tax identification number, TIN, in the company name. Second, inform your bank and update your corporate account details to reflect the new company name and registration number. Third, notify clients, vendors, and partners. This keeps trust and avoids confusion when they pay you or sign contracts with you. Fourth, amend your business documents. Invoices, receipts, contracts, letterheads, website, and signage should show the new company name. Finally, file your first annual return after incorporation, so the company stays in good standing with CAC. It is time for you to learn again how we can work together. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Welcome back. Common mistakes that delay CAC approval when upgrading a business name to a company. Now let us talk about mistakes. Not because you will make them, but because you deserve to avoid them. Mistake 1. Incomplete documentation. Missing required documents can lead to rejection. To avoid it, double-check requirements and confirm everything is complete before submission. Mistake 2. Outstanding annual returns. Unfiled annual returns must be cleared before conversion proceeds. To avoid it, file all outstanding annual returns and resolve pending CAC issues first. Mistake 3. Wrong or inconsistent details. Discrepancies in names, addresses, or identification details can trigger delays. To avoid it, make sure all information matches across CAC records and IDs. Mistake 4. Using unqualified agents. Unlicensed agents can cause errors, fraud, or incomplete filings. To avoid it, work only with CAC accredited professionals or trusted consultants. Mistake 5. Ignoring post-conversion updates. If you do not update tax, bank, and records, you can face compliance issues. To avoid it, update FERS, bank accounts, and other agencies immediately after incorporation. Mistake 6. Choosing an ineligible name. Some names cannot be converted directly due to similarity or restrictions. To avoid it, conduct proper name availability search and consult a professional when needed. If you want a clean process without stress, we can handle the full upgrade professionally. That is part of what our team at Redalia is built to do. Contact us on WhatsApp 081881222223 or contact@redalia.com. What entrepreneurs should do before, during, and after upgrading from business name to a limited liability company. Now let us turn this into action steps. Because information without action is just noise. Action step 1. Evaluate your business structure. Talk to a tax or business advisor and check your growth plans, risk exposure, and readiness for compliance. Action step 2. Review your financial records. Organize your books, reconcile accounts, and prepare basic financial statements before applying for conversion. Action step 3. Clear all outstanding obligations. File pending annual returns and clear existing liabilities before submitting conversion documents. Action step 4. Plan for new tax responsibilities. Set up accounting systems for VAT, companies' income tax, and other statutory filings so you avoid penalties. Action step 5. Leverage small company tax reliefs. Keep accurate financial data so you can prove you qualify within the small business threshold. Action step 6. Implement proper record-keeping systems. Use accounting software or hire a professional accountant, especially as you grow. Action step 7. Seek professional assistance. Work with CAC accredited experts for smoother registration and compliance guidance. To wrap this up clearly, Upgrading from a business name to a limited liability company is a defining step in your entrepreneurial journey. It transforms your business into a recognized legal entity, improves credibility, and helps protect personal assets from business liabilities. The process has steps, documents, and compliance requirements. But when you do it right the first time, you save time, money, and stress. And we genuinely want you to succeed. That is why we provide business resources to guide you through every stage, from starting to structuring to scaling. Our services script. If you want to follow this guide with a written checklist you can tick as you go, read the full article on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to upgrade a business name to a company/. It is easier to move faster when you can see each step in writing while you apply. Subscribe to this channel so you do not miss our next videos. Follow entrepreneurs.ng for more business education that helps you start right and grow properly. And remember, growth is not only about selling more. Growth is also about structuring well. We are rooting for you, always.